So now that we have Docker installed, let's take a couple of minutes and look at gathering some information about our Docker installation. So I have my system open here. I'm going to open a terminal, and real quick, I'm going to pin that to my dash or it's going to drive me nuts. So now I can just come here, click on my terminal, and yay, I'm in. Let me go ahead and blow this up. Okay, so a couple of commands I want to look at here. The first one is Docker version. And Docker version is going to give me my client information. So right here, client, Docker engine, we're in the community. Here's our current version, our API version, Go version. Okay, so that's my client information, and this is my server information. Now remember, I've installed both the client and server on the same machine here. You can't put them on different machines, in which case I'll only give you one or the other. And again, I have the engine number, the API version. The minimum says we really can't communicate with anything that's running an API version. See if I can highlight it correctly here. Below 1.4. Our build information, then our container D version information, run C version, Docker init version. Okay, key thing here, I'm running both of these on the same system, which is great. It keeps everything synchronized. If I was running client and server on separate machines, probably want to try to keep them synchronized as much as possible. Okay, so this lets me check my Docker version. Let me show you one more command, and that is Docker info. And Docker info is going to give me a little more than one page of information. So I'm going to back up. Okay, so here's my Docker engine, the client Docker. That's what I was trying to think of. The client Docker engine. And then here's my server information. I really want to point this out. So number of containers, how many are running, how many are paused, how many are stopped, and then my number of images. Now, just like the previous version, the previous command, Docker version, I can also see some version information here. However, this gives me a little bit more. And for me, the big thing that I'm looking at, and you can see we have more than a page of information, OS type, architecture, number of CPUs, insecure registries, so your local machine is considered a registry. So I have a lot of information here, but for me, the things that I'm going to be looking at frequently is going to be this information here. Show me my containers, how many are running, how many are paused, how many are stopped, how many images do I have in my system. Okay, so that's just a couple of quick commands and just a couple of minute overview of them to gather information about your current Docker environment.